Unlock the magic of a progressive house break that will leave your listeners begging for the drop. First, we strip back the percussive elements, leaving just a subtle rhythmic foundation. Think sparse hats and perhaps a filtered kick that hints at something more. This creates breathing room and builds anticipation. Now, let's inject some melodic emotion. Load up a lush, evolving pad or a simple, memorable synth line. We'll use automation to gradually open up the filter, making the sound swell and grow. To further build tension, introduce a rising arpeggio or a series of ascending notes. Keep it simple and melodic, focusing on creating a sense of upward momentum. Don't forget the power of effects. Generous amounts of reverb and delay on your melodic elements will create a sense of space and depth, further enhancing the progressive feel. As we approach the climax, a well-placed riser, perhaps a white noise sweep or a reverse cymbal, will signal the impending return of energy and prepare the listener for the impact of the drop. By carefully combining these elements, you can craft a progressive house break that's not just a pause, but a captivating journey in itself, driving your track towards an unforgettable drop.